Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Dal Gosht Mum's Special. Step 1. Making dal. Take 2/3 cup of overnight soaked tur dal. Add water. One small onion chopped. 1 diced tomato. 2 green chilies. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add some oil. Combine well. Take 4 to 5 whistles or until it's fully cooked. Mash it with spoon. Remove in a bowl. Keep aside, we'll use it later. Step 2. Preparing mutton curry. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Green chilies as per taste. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 pinches nutmeg and mace powder. Half teaspoon black cumin seeds. Add dash of water and blend into the paste. Keep aside. In a pressure cooker, add 600 grams mutton. 3 chopped onions. Add ground ginger garlic chili paste. 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add some oil. Add cup of water. Give it a good mix. Take 7 to 8 whistles on low to medium flame until meat tender. Two potatoes. Combine well. Take 2 more whistles. Release the pressure with help of spatula. Remove the mutton curry in a big vessel. Bring to boil. Add 250 milliliters coconut milk. Combine well. Add 1 small bottle gourd pieces. 1 diced tomato. Cover and cook 5 minutes on low to medium flame. Handful of chopped fresh coriander. Add mixed chilies. 8 to 10 curry leaves. Do not temper it, otherwise the taste will be ruined. Combine well. Now add cooked dal. Salt to taste. Combine mutton curry and dal well. You can also use leftover dal in this recipe. Cover and cook 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons tamarind pulp. Give it a good mix and bring to simmer. My mum's style super delicious Dal Gosht is ready to serve. Dish out. It goes perfect with plain rice. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.